It's
power line's laid over now. You pull back up.
We're going east.
Watch out. Watch down. It's still on
down.
the ground. Pulling back up fast, but it's still coming down. We can still see debris flying out there.
Zoom in on it good. Forward.
Oh, shit. Just pulled it off.
Is it red recording?
Yes, it's recording. There it is. It is still rotating on the ground. I tell you what, I couldn't see what was behind us. I thought we almost got caught in one.
Just watch it. Just watch it and watch it. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go. Go home, just watch it. No, man, this inflow is pretty ferocious.
It's still moving. Which way is it moving?
Moving north and mainly.
I don't think that thing's as far away as we think it is.
No, I think it's a whole lot closer.
I do too.
I think it's less than a quarter mile.
You think so?
I think it's probably 300 yards away.
Get ready, because we're going to get that RFD again.
Half a mile?
Man, my truck is just shaking. Oh boy, I don't like seeing anybody. That RFD was so rough.
Dude, I don't like this at night.
You gonna call it?
No. No, I just don't like.
I'm not going back into Kansas. I'm not even gonna follow it.